It's John with Total Knee Coach. Why should you use Total Knee Coach as a resource for your recovery after knee replacement surgery? There's a lot of things that can be done before surgery even happens so that you can make sure you maximize your outcome. What I've realized over a lot of years working with patients after knee replacement is that sometimes the home environment needs to be set up a little better. There's oftentimes some exercises that you should be doing before surgery that will make your outcome be better. Usually, the day of surgery and those first few days after surgery, things can be done a little bit better. Working on exactly how to be positioning your knee, exactly how to do the exercises is going to lead you to a faster outcome. What I've seen over the years is that sometimes we focus on the wrong things or at the wrong time. I see patients that are really struggling and pushing through pain for things that might not be that helpful to them and missing the ability to really focus on the things that will be the most important. So the reason that I've come about with Total Knee Coach is I want you to be able to have that resource where you can know that you're doing the right things. Total Knee Coach is not designed to replace your therapy. It's not designed to replace other resources, but to supplement those resources so that you can be having conversations with your therapist on why you're doing what you're doing, how you're doing what you're doing, when you should be doing that. What I've found is that if we focus on the right things in the right way, in the right time, you are going to have the best outcome in the fastest time and with the least amount of pain. So I hope you'll join me on this journey.